In this video, I'll guide you through how to type an email using your voice in Gmail. If you want to write emails faster, reduce typing, or just make things a bit easier on your hands, voice typing can be a really useful tool. We'll go from opening Gmail all the way to actually speaking your message, and I'll give you some tips along the way so everything feels smooth and natural. First, let's get Gmail open in your browser. Go ahead and launch your preferred browser like Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox, and navigate to the Gmail website. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one email address. Once your inbox is loaded and you can see your messages, you're ready for the next part. Now, instead of using a special tool inside Gmail, you'll be relying on your device's built-in voice typing feature. This is important to understand. Gmail itself doesn't do the speech recognition here. Your computer, tablet, or phone does the listening and converts your speech into text, and that text appears inside Gmail. On a Windows computer, this usually means using the system's speech-to-text feature. On many versions, you can trigger it with a keyboard shortcut, then speak into your microphone and have your words appear wherever your cursor is placed. On a Mac, you can use the built-in dictation feature, which you can turn on in your system settings, and then activate with a shortcut when you're ready to talk. On a phone or tablet, like Android or iOS, you'll typically see a small microphone icon on the on-screen keyboard. Tapping that microphone switches the keyboard into listening mode, so whatever you say becomes text. Before you move on, it's worth doing a quick check that your microphone is working properly. Speak at a normal volume in a quiet room if possible, and make sure the device shows that it's hearing you. If you've never used voice typing before, this is a good time to test it in a blank document or notes app, just to get comfortable with how it responds to your voice and pacing. Once you're confident that your voice typing feature is ready, go back to your Gmail inbox. At the top left, click the Compose button. This opens a new message window where you'd normally type your email. You'll see the usual fields for the recipient, subject line, and the main message body. Place your cursor in the area where you want to speak your text, usually the main body of the email. Now, activate your device's voice typing or dictation feature using whatever method applies to your device. When you see the indicator that your device is listening, start speaking clearly at a steady pace. As you talk, you'll see your words appear directly in the email. You can say punctuation out loud like comma, period, or question mark, depending on what your device supports. Don't worry if it makes a few mistakes while you speak. You can pause the dictation, use your keyboard to correct any errors, then turn voice typing back on and continue. Take your time to review the message once you're finished speaking. Check the spelling of names, make sure the punctuation looks right, and adjust any awkward phrasing that sometimes happens with voice recognition. When everything looks good, you're ready to send the email just like you would with regular typing. That's all it takes. Open Gmail in your browser, use your device's voice typing feature, click Compose, and start voice typing your message. With a bit of practice, this can become a quick and comfortable way to handle your email.